Doing a little long reaching today. A bunch of houses in here share this lake, this housing development. Started down there a couple weeks ago. I cleaned that cove out. I actually started on it 2 years ago. I brought a drag line up here and cleaned out, let's see here, right from there over to that island. It was all cattails all the way back around to where these cattails are here, and I cleaned all that out with a drag line. And that was 2 winters ago I did that. Now they've got me back up here with the long reach 200 Komatsu long reach excavator. We're cleaning these shorelines up for them. They're so shallow, they're getting growed up with cattails. They're about sick of it, and I don't blame them. I don't blame them one bit. But that's what we're working on today. Get it out here, you can see kind of how deep I've got it so far. Where we've got them down to, lowered it down about 8 feet where it was at. Over here, I'm whittling this corner out right now. It's pretty hard shell actually, so you know we're about bucket deep there. So been putting this job off for 2 years because it's in a neighborhood. There's nowhere to haul the material to, close, and finally got them agreed to worry about hauling it off and taking care of it themselves. So this is what I've thrown up there since this morning. But that's their mess to have to worry about hauling off. That job down there, though, like I said, the one we did a couple weeks ago, we had to haul it off, but luckily we had a dump site that was pretty close. But we've got that feller filled up with dirt. He says he doesn't want it anymore. So, but I've got to go all the way around that shoreline, all the way over there, back around to this other dock, and we're going to skip because that's all dam. We're not going to do anything around the dam. And then all those brown, those are dead cattails down there that landowner is trying to kill out. We're going to clean those out. So basically this whole lake, it's about a 7 to 10 acre lake here. But we'll be here the rest of the week. Pretty good little project.